In this video, I'll show you how to delete your YouTube search history on a phone. So this works whether you're using an iPad or Android or iPhone. So what you want to do is press on your profile in the bottom right, and then next you're going to select the settings wheel in the top right, just here. After that, under the account section, press on manage all history. So because I've pressed this before, it's already loaded my profile, but it might ask you to log in. And when you do, you'll see this menu. So if you scroll down, you can delete individual history by pressing the cross just to the right here, and then pressing delete. However, if you want to delete all of your history, scroll back up, and then you'll see this delete button with the drop down arrow. Press on that, and then you have the option to delete today, delete a custom range, and then you can also delete all time. So we'll press that, and then it's asking us to confirm, and press delete at the bottom to confirm it. And now we've deleted our YouTube search history. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.